Hello friends and welcome back to our channel K2N family. I hope you all are doing well. Well, today I've come with a recipe of my own version and I've named this recipe as Goan chicken burger. It is very delicious and to do this, let's go and start it. And to begin with, here I've got 2 chicken breasts which I've already boiled. Now with the help of a fork, I'm going to shred the chicken. Or if you prefer, you can do it with your bare hands too. Now once we have shredded the chicken, now I'm going to cut the chicken into very fine pieces again. And this is how it's going to be once it's been chopped. So in a frying pan, let's add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now let's add 1 finely chopped onion, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, half teaspoon of cumin seed, 5 to 6 cloves, 8 to 10 black peppercorns, 1 inch of ginger, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, 1 green chilli, and a little bit of coriander. Let's fry this for 3 to 4 minutes on a medium flame. I'm adding 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. So now this has been done. Now I'm going to set this aside to cool down so I can blend it to a smooth paste. Once the masala is cooled down, now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Without adding any water, now I'm going to blend this to a smooth paste. So this is how it's going to be once it's been blended. Now let's add a little bit salt to the chicken. So here I'm adding finely chopped coriander, 1 finely chopped raw onion. This is red onion, 1 finely chopped green chilli. So chilli is optional. You can skip it if you have to give it to your kid. Now I'm going to add the masala. You can add 3 to 4 tablespoons of breadcrumb. Yes, I'm going to add 1 egg now. Now we are going to form a patty. Take the portion that you require and form a ball. And just give a dab and form a burger size of patty for yourself. So some of the patty I've made and I'm going to refrigerate it. I'm going to keep it in the deep freezer. This helps me at times if I want to make it at any time for my daughter when she goes to school, so I can prepare her packed lunch for her. So here I'm going to take some semolina and a little bit of breadcrumb. Now let's mix this well together. So here I've got some beaten egg. I'm going to dip the patty into the egg. Try to cover it all side. And now I'm going to coat this patty with this mixture. And here our chicken patty is ready now. So in a pan, let's add some oil. Now that the oil is hot, now let's add the burger patty. Now I'm going to fry them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. So guys, when you're frying this burger patty, make sure you fry them on a medium flame and keep on moving this burger patty. Because as you see, because I did not move on earlier, it got burned on one side. When you keep on moving it, it might just not get burned. Our chicken burger patty is ready. Now let's fry the second batch and prepare the burger. So now let's take a burger bread. Let's add a little bit of mayo. Let's spread the mayo. Let's add some onion rings. Let's keep the burger patty. Add some tomato rings. A little bit of ketchup on the other bread. Here your chicken burger is ready now. Enjoy this with your family. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed watching our recipe the way how we have made this. If you have really liked our recipe, please show some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe. God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.